Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about some wonderful hiring opportunities. So definitely video will be very helpful for you. So do watch the complete video. We'll be talking about the eligibility criteria, the company hiring, the selection process, and all the required information that is important for you. We are going to discuss each and everything about it. But before this, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed this. So do subscribe this channel. Also be a part of our Telegram community. The link for the Telegram channel is in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Again, one important news before proceeding further. So guys, if you are looking for any of the courses from the Geeks for your preparation, right, you can get the 10% off on the course by using the coupon code study with Soumya, where every character should be in capital. So use that coupon code. Even the coupon code is provided in the description itself, so check it from there, use that and get a discount of 10% on the course you are going to purchase from Geeks for Geeks. Well, I hope that you have found this information useful. So without any delay, let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from EPAM. As you can see right now, that EPAM is basically hiring for 2020 and 2021 engineering graduates. After successful completion of recent recruitment drive, we are back with another opportunity. So the registration is basically from EPAM. So the role that you're going to offer is junior software engineer, any BE, BTech, MTech, ME branches with 0 to 12 months with relevant training or work experience either on core Java, JavaScript, Angular, React.js, C Sharp, ASP, Ado.NET, along with data structure, algorithm, and object-oriented programming are eligible. Right. Let's talk about the salary and CTC as well, right? So the salary that they're gonna offer is 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. Please read important details carefully before registering. So candidate who applied in the past 6 months can also apply. So that is a good news for you. Candidates who applied and did not clear tech and HR round of interview in the last 6 months is not eligible. Right. Selected candidate will be onboarded on different months, November 21 or December 21 or Jan 22. During registration, candidate can choose preferred technology to work at EPAM. Based on the trainings you have undergone or experience you acquired in one of the below technology, click to view details on the job role and description. So here is the job role and description even provided. Just simply click on it. So you can see if you are trained in open source, that is Java, so you will be your job role is basically going to be junior Java developer. Rest details are also provided, so you can just simply go through this description form basically which they have attached, right? So same is provided for Microsoft.NET front-end technology, JavaScript, Angular basic. Assessment details choose your will be according to the role. Choose your preferred date of assessment based on your availability to join EPAM on the given below dates. So Sunday, 3 October 2021 for candidates who can join either on 1 November or 1 December. And if you can join on 3 on 9 of October, so if you can join on 3 Jan 2022, so for you the assessment date will be on 9 of October. Registration is going to close at 8 a.m. to October for 3 October online coding assessment, and registration is going to close at 8 a.m. 7 October for 9 October online coding assessment. Right. So now this is simple form given. You have to provide the information according to you, like, and provide the correct information, and accordingly your test etc will be scheduled and you'll be getting the questions accordingly. Here also you can see technology you have experience in or you have undergone training, accordingly you have to select, and further you have to click next and provide the rest details as well. So this was our first opportunity. Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So our next opportunity is from Bloomberg. So Bloomberg is basically hiring 2022 batch for the role of software engineer. This is the sort of description given regarding the company. You can just go through it. We'll trust you to take ownership of the full development lifecycle, partner with clients and other developers to design, build, and roll out solutions that will optimize complex workflows, understand and efficiently manipulate large data sets, make quick, thoughtful decisions, be a collaborative member of your team, have a strong understanding of data structure and algorithm, be an excellent problem solver. You'll need to have BA, BS, MS, PhD. So this is the requirement given according to your qualification. So BA, BS, MS, PhD in computer science, computer engineering or related technology field. Programming experience in C, C++, C Sharp, Java or Python is needed. So If this sounds like you, make sure to apply for it. This is a simple apply now button given here. Just simply click on it and provide the details that they are asking for. Right. So hope you have understood that what basically this requirement is all about. Let's talk about next opportunity, that is from Synchronous. So Synchronous, you can see it is 2021 Synchronous fresh graduate hiring fresh graduate from 2021, 2020, 2019 computers, computer related batches. You should have scored minimum 65% throughout 10th, 12th and graduation. So this is simple form where you have to provide your details like is your full name, your year of graduation, aggregated score, minimum 65% in graduation, in +2 in 10th, highest qualifying degree, specialization, name of college, name of university, and name of any software for which you have gone through any trainings, etc. So you can provide that as well. Also, you have to mention the name of institute from where you have taken the training, your current address, current city, state, permanent address. So you can just go through it. It's a very simple form asking for just some basic details, so you'll be able to understand, right? Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Trell. This is our next opportunity, that is from Trell. So Trell is basically hiring for 22, 23, 24 batch. Here, this is a simple form given where you have to provide your email, candidate, or your name of candidate, basically can contact number, email ID, college, course, position that you're interested. So basically they're having two positions. First of all, product analyst internship, and second one is business analyst internship. Prior experience in SQL if you are having, so that would be great. So accordingly choose yes or no. For advanced Excel as well, choose yes or no. And prior experience in Python, again choose yes or no according to your comfort. Or basically if you have having the prior experience, then only choose no, right? It's not like you are randomly choosing no or yes. If you are having the experience, then choose yes, otherwise you have to choose no. Now they have asked about intended duration of internship. So according to your comfort, again you have to choose that option. You have to upload your resume here and availability. So if you can join immediate, make sure to select immediate, otherwise you can select other, right? So yeah, these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also guys, do share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities. Many of the students are still looking for the opportunities, so definitely this video will help them. So do help them in getting a job. Also guys, again, just a sort of reminder, if you are looking for any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks, the coupon code is given in the description itself. That will help you to get a 10% off on the course. So use the coupon code Start Learning. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.